In today's video, I'll show you how to create shirt mockups for your designs using Canva. Fast, easy, and completely free. Let's jump right in. First, open Canva and select Instagram Post as your canvas size. Once the editor opens, go to the Apps tab on the left, then search for and select Mockups. Now you'll see a bunch of categories. Scroll down and under Apparel, click See All. Browse through the t-shirt mockup options and select the one you like best. Once the t-shirt mockup appears on your canvas, it's time to add your design. Go to the Uploads tab, upload your design image, and simply drag it onto the shirt. Canva will automatically fit nicely onto the mockup. Now, let's customize it a bit. Click on the t-shirt, then hit Edit. You can adjust the design size, position, and even change the shirt color to match your branding or style. And that's it. You got a professional-looking shirt mockup, ready to share on social media or use in your online store. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe for more awesome content. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.